Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm just going to start off with some freshly washed hair that's already been tied back, etc, etc. Oh god. So I'm going to blow dry it. I'm going to try my best to blow dry it straight. This is one of the few times I'm actually going to be putting heat on my hair. Looking like Albert Einstein. Oh gosh, hair's always falling out. Perks of being blonde, I guess. So gonna use some Got to Be glue today. And I'm gonna use some Dr. Miracles edge control, my favorite edge control. So just gonna get a little bit and pop it in places where I really need it, and then use my handy dandy slick brush to comb all that back. Take off these damn glasses because it ain't working. Gonna use some Got to Be afterwards. Not a crazy amount so my hair doesn't start waving up. I always use Tressemme Hairspray. This stuff is amazing. Then once again, there's going to be a lot of brushing today. Some Got to Be for the back of my hair. And look, it already starts twanging. Listen, this curly hair life. I cannot. Yeah, that brush is just for the extra slickness. I think my hand actually started to cramp at this point. Because my hair is way too thick. Like, I cannot. Like, yes. Get that elastic band off, honey. Okay, it's time for a break because I started to break out into a sweat and all sorts. Cheeky snack time. And now to my edges using Dr. Miracles. I like to sweep my hair and hold it into place so that, I don't know, so that my hair actually listens to me. If that makes sense? I don't think that makes sense, but you know, that's what it is. And then afterwards, I like to go over that with Got to Be. Because once this is on, it's on for days. Love it. And that one little piece that never wants to listen. Like, really? Really? You gonna embarrass me on YouTube? Like, you just gonna embarrass me like this? Annoying AF. Back to the hairspray. Set that shit. Set it. Then I'm gonna put my headscarf on. And you better just tie it very tight. You know when it's so tight that your head starts to hurt? Yeah, that's how tight. That's how tight it's about to be. I'm telling you, this is about to be slick. Okay? So we're going to start the process off with some heat. And then I'm finna do my makeup. But I'm gonna whiz straight through this because y'all ain't watching me for my makeup. So, you know. Yes, girl. Beat your face. And get your entire life like. Look at those lashes. Yes, God. Ooh, and we're done. Take off that headscarf. And this process has to be done really slowly. Otherwise, you'll do what I did. And I kind of rushed it for the sake of, I don't even know why. Only God knows the answer for that one. Look at the mask I now have on my face. This is why I don't like to colour in my forehead. So now I ended up having flyaways from my edges because I wanted to rip my headscarf off, which you shouldn't do at all. And also my headscarf was cotton rather than the regular silk one that I use, which also is a thing. So I'm currently just itching my edges into place. So basically what happens is when you're blonde, when you try to do your edges and they dry, it dries clear. So it looks like you're edgeless. So you have to itch them to make them visible. It's confusing. I don't quite understand it. Oh, okay. Oh, I wasn't ready for that. Yes, child. Okay, so we're gonna brush through. Oh God, we're gonna try to brush through this wig. So this is what the inside looks like. 2 clips at the bottom. There used to be one at the top, but I took that out for other purposes. And then a drawstring to make that shit tight. And we're gonna fling that on, and then try and locate this drawstring and pull that sucker till it hurts. Like that's usually how I do mine. If it isn't giving me a headache, like it's not tight enough. Probably not the best advice, but so now we're gonna get 3 bobby pins. Any color's fine, because I like to set my high ponytail specifically. Like I have tried to push it up so that it's really high, and then I just pop those into place so that the hair sits the way I want it to sit. So we will be covering that up, so you get a section from either the side or the bottom. I don't know why I got it from the side. I really should have got it from the bottom, but it don't matter. So we're going to do that twice. The first time, it doesn't really matter how it's done, as long as it's covering where you want it to cover. Then you have to get coloured bobby pins that matches your hair colour, which obviously mine is blonde, and pop it into place. So then we're going to get another section from the back this time. Brush through that, give it a cheeky brush, yeah. Then this piece we're going to be a little bit more fancy with. A little bit more neat. So I like to spread my hair, as you can see, so it looks clean and trim. And I really like to take my time with the second one, because this is the one that everyone's going to see, and we can't be just looking anyhow. Then get another bobby pin and tuck that motherfucker away. And then I like to also pin pieces to the back of my head like this. Don't ask, it's literally just a security thing for myself. Like, I'm so paro of things falling, even though I know it won't, but I ain't trying to take that risk, honey. Like, okay, gonna brush through this piece again and then set how I want it to lay. So you could either plait it, or you can twist it like this, or you can just brush it out so that it's huge. It's totally up to you. So now I'm going to go over the edges that I tried to mess up earlier on, with some got to be just a tiny bit, not a lot at all, like less than a pea. And just going to tidy up all those wispy bits that I messed up. Lost in thought. Don't ask me why I'm wearing sunglasses. I don't even know why either. This is the finished look. This is it. This is how I do my ponytails. It's pretty hard trying to find a platinum blonde that matches your hair exactly. I legit tried to put minimal products in my hair. When you put so much product and so much oil, sometimes your hair can get dirty quickly. It gets itchy quickly. So this is the look. I hope you guys like it. You can do it obviously with any color hair. Like, all the products that I did use, I will be writing down in the description. I can take this off and on every single night, put my headscarf on, put another headscarf on, because you know, double protection and all that stuff. And then I can keep it like this for a week, as long as I'm careful. I may have to retouch my edges every now and then from washing my face, but for the most part, yeah, I'll have it on for like a whole week. I literally don't put heat on my hair, but for the purposes of this, like, I always get waves and I didn't want any waves. I wanted to try my best to get it as straight as I possibly could. I think I did pretty good. Don't know about y'all, but I think I did. You know, I didn't do so bad. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm really trying to get back into the swing of consistency. Consistency is not my middle name, or my first name, or my last name, or my third name. Like, I'm not consistent with this YouTube thing at all. So 2018, I told y'all I'm gonna be bringing out content, you know. So hopefully you guys like it. I couldn't tell you guys where I got this from because I actually got it when I was walking in a fashion show. So, you know, I got me some for her. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, comment, subscribe. Even if you don't like it, you already know the deal, chat. Just be nice. And if you do think of anything that you'd like to see me do or attempt, even if it's like no hair colors though, like I tried to do the hairspray cut, not doing that again. And once again, thank you. Peace.